Hi, this is Study with Mo. So today we will be doing Maths B, May-June 2025, Paper 1, question number 16. Let's go to question number 16. Factorize fully 10p square q to the power 4 minus 15p cubed q. So is equals to 5p square q 2q cube minus 3p. This is the answer, 5p square q 2q cube minus 3p. Okay. Factorize 2x square minus 9x minus 5. So 2x square plus x minus 10x minus 5 is equals to x. 2x plus 1 minus 5. 2x plus 1. 2x plus 1 x minus 5. So 2x plus 1 x minus 5 is the answer, and we're done with number 16 AB.